What is your name, Mr. Hanif? Can you spell to him?
Hanif.
Very good.
Okay, very good. Apa. What's that? What is that? What is your name?
And you want to work on cruise ship.
Yes, sir.
Kenapa? Why?
Because I want to be success in my future and support my family.
You have wife and children?
You have wife and children.
No, I don't have.
Ah,
Still single.
Still single.
berapa umur?
I am 19 years old. 15 years old.
Both of them are 19.
Masih muda.
Still young.
Saya sudah tua.
Okay, have seat.